As Mental Health Awareness Month continues through Memorial Day weekend, one Idaho veteran is sharing her journey towards healing and the hope she found through an integrated medical clinic. I'm neighborhood reporter Allie Tripke explaining how she hopes her story helps other veterans seek help too. For many veterans, the challenges of service don't always end when they come home.
Well, in Bosnia, we had a lot of scary things kind of going on, truck wreck accidents and things, weird things that, people don't normally get to see.
Michelle Pratt served in the Army during the 1990s, and the traumatic events she witnessed while stationed in Germany and Bosnia have stayed with her. Over the years, she struggled with exhaustion, brain fog, and difficulty focusing.
Things can become more challenging and more of a struggle, and you kind of find yourself on this hamster wheel.
Now, she's in the middle of brain restore treatment at a Line Integrated Medical Clinic in Meridian. The clinic offers services on brain and body wellness, including neurofeedback, functional medicine, chiropractic care, and laser therapy.
And over time, what happens is the brain starts to learn how to self-regulate and operate correctly.
Idaho News 6 first told you about the clinic last year, as doctors offered free brain scans for veterans and first responders. The clinic says since that story, they've seen new veterans seeking treatment.
Now it's like all of a sudden I'm awake at like 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm ready to go. The military, firefighter, being in the police department, we all deal with a lot of things.
That stuff takes a toll on you inside. There's nothing around that really is dangerous, but you always feel like you can tell your mind all day long you're safe, but your body doesn't feel it.
Todd Harris, a former police officer, tells me he's also seen improvements after just a few treatments.
Being able to remember things, that's been the biggest help for me.
For Pratt, sharing her story is about helping others realize they don't have to struggle alone.
And I hope that other veterans can see this and feel like there's some hope.
The Boise VA tells me that Meridian Clinic is now a community care network provider, meaning VA-enrolled veterans can seek care there if they're interested. In Boise, I'm neighborhood reporter Allie Tripke, Idaho News 6.